John was just,
he
was proclaiming our Jesus. As that work brings that hope. As that place brings the hope to you. There is a certain person who was he felt crying and leaving God. I told him that's not the hope. God is the hope. Accept to live this. Trust God. If he manifests, he's going to assure your enemies. One day came, they called him. That great thing has come. So John is a tutor. There are things that we have been with, but they don't help us. They just bring us hope. It might be the beneficial friends are there. But whenever you have the friends that will not benefit you, they are those that will not come in your life. It's something that cannot come. It is God who sent John. And John had to die first. So Jesus may be manifested. If John was still existing, Jesus would not come. Tell your neighbor. Because every time has the end. There are all the things that were good to you. For me, that nomination was good because it naturally from but I had to withdraw it so that a new thing may enter. Some people abide themselves at the nomination because it is for the Father. It brought the hope and nurture. When you got saved, you see the nomination. Still have the nose of the domination. You withdraw and die and you come again. Jesus is going to enter in your life. He's going to do new things for you. So he is filled with all power. In him there is healing. Inside him there is something you need. For the Bible says when he lives, he sympathizes with them. Yet they have had that to another who had moved with them for the time. When he reached and then he sympathized with them. Maybe you didn't see him, but God knew him. For us, we may look at this evangelist, but whenever God shows him, he shows him a powerful man. Amen. Today I'm talking about him, for it is he in him that the Spirit. So I don't know what you are. Let people look at you, but accept God. When Uzziah died, he became a corpse, and God was manifested. Now Isaiah saw God. Maybe bad friends have hindered you to seek God, have hindered you to get saved. Maybe the job that you hold, yet there's something great. I'm not saying withdraw from the job, but there are jobs that have even unbeneficial things. But every time you ask God, there's something that is coming. God is about to come to you. Beyond it, accept God. Trust in the Lord. For the Lord knows you. Tell your neighbor, the Lord knows you. People who mock you, give them time. Those who look at you like nothing, give them time. Those who come crying together, tell them you're done. You're done. They came to marry. The family that you have been binding yourself to the man. You bind yourself to the man who doesn't love you. For us, we used to tell you, he's going to withdraw you. But he was on the way. Amen. Stand up and be okay. That he used to perform many things, but he has but he made the blind people see.